How to add background image to a section on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how you can add background image to a section on Shopify. So then to begin with, first thing first, check your internet connection and then open up a web browser. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in admin.shopify.com. This is gonna log you into your Shopify account. You need to head over and go to your online store page. After that, scroll down a bit and go to customize. After you go ahead and tap on customize, it's going to direct you to the other interface where you'll be able to see multiple options. So right on this page, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and move towards your left hand side bar, and you can see there are multiple options. So from there, you need to go ahead and tap on add section. As soon as you click on add section, you can see right at the bottom there are multiple options. So from the list, you'll need to go ahead and tap on custom CSS. Now here you'll be able to find a code. So what you have to do is you need to customize a code. So for that, you'll need to go ahead and open up a web browser, or else open up a new tab and then paste in the link, that is pastebin.com/UNNR44Q5. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. You can see there is the code. You'll need to copy the code, to copy the bracket as well, and move on to your Shopify page, and here you'll need to paste in the code right over here. As soon as you've done that, you'll need to go ahead and tap on the save button. Now you'll be able to add image to your background. After that, once you've done that, what you'll need to do is you need to go to your Shopify homepage once again, and from here you'll need to go ahead and tap on contents. As soon as you click on content, you need to upload the image that you wish to add it to your background. So for that, go to files. After that, click on upload files and select the file or folder from where you actually want to upload the image, and after that the image will be uploaded, and from there you'll need to head over to the same page where you just need to go ahead and tap on it and just click on customize, and you'll be able to add a photo. So that is how you can add background image to a section on Shopify. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.